Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we're talking about the 5 eyeshadow palettes that I would keep if I could only keep 5, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Pretty recently I filmed the ranking of all my palettes, so I will list that down below. That was pretty hard, but today we are talking about the 5 palettes that I would keep if I needed to get rid of all the other palettes. And this is a bit different because I didn't pick my top 5 palettes. Of course, all of these are on the upper ranking part because I want good formulas and good color stories, but I will explain for each and every one of these because, like I said, they are not the top 5. I'm gonna start with the Mini Retro by Natasha Denona, and I decided on this one because it is my perfect vacation palette. I always take this one traveling with me, so I decided to pick this one because I do need a small palette just to take with me, and this is lovely. It has beautiful colors, amazing shimmers, and you get these grayish grungy greens. I really like it. It is an amazing palette, and you will see from these 5 palettes that I really love green eyeshadow, and as well that I want a mix of colorful shades and neutral shades as well, because it is important for me to have neutrals for every day, but as well, as you can see, I really like colorful shadows as well, and I really enjoy doing colorful looks, so I need a mix, and this palette, it is a mix in my opinion. This is like a neutral palette with a twist. The next palette that I decided on is the ABH Nouveau, and this has a lot of greens in it, and it is again a neutral palette with a twist, because you have this more nudish shade, you have this gold shade, and then some pinks, and the green shadows, the green shimmers are just a bit toned down. They are not grass greens, they are mixed with gray tones or with neutrally tones. This is like a minty shade, but like I said, it is a bit more on the neutrally side, but we do have a very pigmented purple, and this peacock shade is so stunning. It is like a green purple. It's so beautiful. And then this orange, again very pigmented, but again a bit neutral but with some twists. I really love this palette. Next I decided to pick the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles because this is very colorful and I love this white, so I really wanted a white shade, and as well I have all the transition colorful shadows that I need, and this works perfectly with another palette that I picked. So I decided on this because I have some beautiful shimmers as well, but mostly I decided on this one for the mattes, because you have green mattes, purple, orange, blue, pink, and actually a brown as well if I want something a bit more neutral from here. And the formula is really nice, and like I said, I adore this white. It's very pigmented and very good quality, so I decided on this one. And the palette that works absolutely perfectly with it, it is the Kaleidos Club Nebula. And if you saw the ranking, this is a bit lower this year, but these two together, they are made for each other really, because I have in here very dark colorful shades. Today, for example, I have this purple in the outer edge in here and a bit into the crease, and I have this one on the inner corner, and these shimmers are so beautiful. They are like taupe shades, but they are very blinding. I love this palette. The quality is impeccable, and I really like to mix this one with something more pastel-y, and between these two I could create so many colorful looks, so that's the reason I decided on these two. And lastly I have the Natasha Denona Metropolis. I can't get rid of this one. Of course, I'm gonna keep all my palettes. This is just for fun, but this is, again, a neutral palette with a twist. You know that I love this palette to death, so I can't. I can't not pick this one. You have so beautiful greens in here, and this one combined with the ABH Nouveau, it's a dream. Or even I could use some green from here or from here, because I have a pastel green in there, so I could mix them and I could create an amazing green look, and I love green. And as well, you get this red shimmer, so I could use the red from the Kaleidos palette and then this red and have a beautiful red look. Or I could do this very yellowy gold and have something on the crease that is neutral and have like a gold look. And then I could have something more bluish green with these shimmers, and this shimmery greenish gold is just perfection. This is my favorite shimmer in my collection. It's so beautiful. You have a lot of bronzes as well in here. I really love this palette, so for sure I would pick this one as well. So these are the 5 palettes that I would pick. They are just amazing formulas, good colorful shadows and good neutral shadows as well, and you have a lot of options, so I think I would be very, very happy with these. Of course, I love my palettes, so I don't want to get rid of them, but I think this idea is very fun, so please let me know what palette you would keep. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.